how to unsubscribe emails from Gmail in-app. In order to do that, you may follow up these methods. So open up your Gmail application and then log in into your account from which you would like to unsubscribe. Once you are there in this page, in this inbox section, you should be finding all of the email and all of the email that you've used in order to join a channel. So in order to unsubscribe, all you gotta do is locate up the user, for example, Timu. After that, all you gotta do is you can easily find an unsubscribe option on your screen like this. Tap on it and tap on unsubscribe. Otherwise, you may scroll down and at the very last option, you should be finding terms and conditions. Right beside it, you should be finding an unsubscribe option. Go ahead and tap on it. After tapping on it, all you gotta do is simply confirm it. Confirm that you want to unsubscribe. You may just go ahead and tap on unsubscribe from your screen. After that, unsubscribe. You have been unsubscribed from that particular channel. So that is it. That is how you basically unsubscribe. You may do for that for each email. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.